The goal of any business is simple: make more money than you spend. Imagine a lemonade stand. You buy supplies for $20, that's your cost price. You sell all your lemonade for $50, your selling price. The $30 difference is your profit. To see how successful that really is, we calculate the percentage profit, which is always based on your original cost. In this case, $30 of profit on a $20 investment is a massive 150% return. But what if you didn't have that initial $20? You might borrow it from a bank. Or if you have extra money, you might lend it to a bank. In both cases, there's a fee for using that money. That fee is called interest. The most basic way to calculate this is with a simple interest formula. I equals PRT. I is the interest. P is the principal, the original amount of money. R is the interest rate, as a decimal. And T is the time in years. So if you borrow $5,000 for 2 years at an 8% interest rate, your calculation is 5,000 times 0.08 times 2. The total interest you'd owe is $800. That's the price for using the money immediately. And here's a critical warning. The time, T, must always be in years. A 6-month loan isn't a 6 in the formula, it's a 0.5. An 18-month loan is 1.5. This is the most common mistake. These aren't just abstract equations. Understanding profit tells you if your idea is succeeding, and understanding interest is the key to managing debt and making your money grow. When you're borrowing, you want a low rate. When you're investing, you want a high one. Mastering these concepts is the first step towards financial control, moving from simply earning money to building a secure future.